Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to recreate this twisted braided hairstyle. To start, I'm going to apply some texture powder at the crown area. I'll pop the one I'm using in the description below. Then I'm going to section off some hair at the front to leave out till the end, and I'm just going to take the crown area of hair and clip this on top of the head for later. Directly under that, I'm going to section out another thin slice of hair from one side to the other and secure this into a ponytail. Now release that top section down, and we're just going to smooth it back, and I'm going to divide this in half. Now cross the left strand over the right, and I'm just going to let it hang down either side of that ponytail. And then I'm going to take the ponytail, bring it up through the middle, and clip it on top of the head to keep it out of my way for now. Then I'm going to take another thin slice of hair from one side to the other, and this time I'm going to incorporate the ends, and I'm going to tie this off into another ponytail. Let that top ponytail down, and then use your fingers to gently pinch and pull at the very edge of each side of that first stitch of braid to make it nice and voluminous. Now I'm going to split that ponytail in half again, and I'm going to cross the left over the right and bring the ponytail below it up through the middle and clip it to the head. Section off another section below that, incorporating the tail ends, and secure into another ponytail. Release that top ponytail down, and again pinch and pull at the side sections of those new loops just to give you some more volume. So taking that top ponytail, we're going to split it in half, cross the left over the right and bring the ponytail below it up through the middle and clip it to the head again. Now gather all the remaining hair at the nape of the neck and secure it into one final ponytail. Release that top ponytail down. Then just pinch and pull at those loops for more volume. To make sure this braid stays secure to the head, just slip a couple of bobby pins through one of the loops and catch a bit of hair from the scalp. Repeat this on all the loops on both sides. I'm going to create a loose wave in my ponytail, and I'll do this by twist wrapping sections of the hair around a tong, and then on the next section I'll wrap it in the opposite direction. Make sure you tug the section slightly as you release it from the curling tong. Then apply a little bit of texture spray to your waves, and then just use your fingers to pinch and pull at the edge of each individual wave to give it more volume. Curl those front sections away from the face, and I'm just going to take small sections of these and have them tumbling out the side of the braid. So I'm going to take a topsy tail tool and pop it right behind one of the sections of the braid, bring one of the curls from the front through the loop, and then pull it all the way through. Once you're happy with your placement, just secure with a couple of bobby pins and add a bit of texture spray and pinch and pull. And repeat this on both sides of the head. And it really is that easy. Here's the finished look. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials.